Hello YouTube, welcome back to an ST educational video. We are going to discuss the three major ingredients in the market to become a successful or profitable traders. और ये वो तीन ingredients हैं, अगर ये आपकी bucket list में नहीं है तो भूल जाएं कि मार्केट से कभी profitable या successful trader हम बन सकते हैं. बेसिक कंसेप्ट है, बट यस मेनी ट्रेडर्स जो सालों से मार्केट में काम कर रहे हैं, जो सालों से मार्केट में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, आई एम सॉरी टू से दिस बट दे आर लूजिंग मनी फॉर ईयर्स. दे लैक दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. Maybe they know it but they avoid it. I don't know what is the reason, but let's refresh the mind. और वो जो तीन major ingredients हैं, without wasting time, let's get started on that. So जो पहला और foremost जो major step है market में successful trading करने का, वो आता है आपके knowledge और आपके analysis के साथ. Which means कि आपका knowledge और आपका analysis आपको एक bias और एक view देने की कोशिश करेगा market में. What do I mean by that? देखो ये मार्केट है, यहाँ से जो मनी जनरेट होता है वो ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिंट नहीं होता है. इन ऑर्डर टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम द मार्केट समवन एल्स मनी इज कमिंग टू योर पॉकेट और योर मनी इज गोइंग टू समवन एल्स पॉकेट. दैट इज द थ्योरी बिहाइंड इट. मार्केट इज नॉट प्रिंटिंग मशीन. दैट हैज टू बी क्लियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. ऑलराइट, अगर सपोज करो सारे के सारे पार्टिसिपेंट जो मार्केट में ट्रेड करते हैं, सभी के सभी अगर बाय डायरेक्शन को देख रहे हैं और बाय ऑर्डर एग्जीक्यूट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंड नोबडी इज देयर टू सेल देम, how are they going to execute that trade or how are they going to make money on that trade, right? So for that किसी भी मोमेंट पे जाओ मार्केट में, हर एक टाइम पर सेम स्क्रिप्ट को कुछ सेलर्स होंगे जो उसको सेल कर रहे होंगे, कुछ बायर्स होंगे जो उसको बाय कर रहे होंगे at that same price point, and that is the reason which will allow them to make money. So let's say अगर मार्केट यहाँ से सेल डायरेक्शन में जाता है तो जो बायर्स हैं उनका पैसा सेलर्स को मिलने वाला है, और अगर सपोज करें यहाँ से बाय डायरेक्शन में जाता है तो जो सेलर्स जिन्होंने मार्केट को सेल किया था उनका पैसा बायर्स के पास जाने वाला है. सो यहाँ पे एनालिसिस एक बहुत मेजर फैक्टर बन जाता है इन ऑर्डर टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ द मार्केट, बिकॉज आपका बायस, आपका व्यू ऑफ द मार्केट जितना क्लियर होगा, जितना डायरेक्शन के फेवर में रहेगा. लेट्स से कि मार्केट यहाँ से ऊपर जाता है और 80% ऑफ द टाइम आपका जो भी एनालिसिस है, in my example I use the wave theory for predicting or forecasting the direction of the market. आपके लिए वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. लेट्स से सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस के लिए यहाँ से मार्केट वंस यहाँ पे जब मार्केट आ जाएगा तो यहाँ से बाउंस करेगा, राइट? दैट कुड बी द थ्योरी. फॉर एडवांस पैटर्न गाइस दिस हैज बीन ऑलरेडी बीन कंप्लीटेड. इनके लिए ये मार्केट ऊपर जाना चाहिए, राइट? सो एनालिसिस के काफी फॉर्म होते हैं और एनालिसिस के काफी तरीके होते हैं. ऑल इट इज डूइंग इज गिविंग यू अ पर्सपेक्टिव of the direction और idea और making your bias in the market कि आपने किस डायरेक्शन में ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट करना है at that particular point, right? So analysis जितना strong और जितना correct और जितना proper होगा उतना ही आपका मार्केट में सक्सेसफुल होने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स से कि मार्केट में आप आते हैं और आपके डायरेक्शन मोस्टली गलत निकलते हैं. लेट्स से कि आप जब भी सेल ऑर्डर का एग्जीक्यूशन करते हैं मार्केट 80% ऑफ द टाइम गोज अप, विच मीन्स व्हाट इट लैक्स, it lacks the analysis, it lacks the direction of the market. आपको डायरेक्शन का सेंस नहीं है. तो पहली जो मेजर इंग्रेडिएंट मार्केट से पैसा कमाने की होती है, that has to be analysis. The analysis will give you the perspective or the bias in which direction the market is going. और उसके बाद जो सेकंड इंग्रेडिएंट होता है उस पर हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. But first foremost is the most important, and that is the analysis part, and that has to be correct and proper. All right. So that is the first ingredient of the market. We'll discuss the second one in a moment. Alright YouTube, so after the analysis section, the second element for your successful trading career comes as a strategy section. What do I mean by that? If you have a direction of the market, let's say you have run the analysis and you're looking for the downside. Now that's only half of the story. What does it mean to you? कहां पर एंट्री लगाओगे, कहां पे स्टॉप रखोगे और कहां टारगेट लोगे. इफ योर एनालिसिस सेज द मार्केट शुड गो डाउन, डज इट मीन कि कल जाकर सेल ऑर्डर लगा दे? एंड व्हाट इफ द मार्केट डज दिस? ये पूरा का पूरा कंसोलिडेशन सफर करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो एक अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी आपके एनालिसिस को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करती है, विच मीन्स कि अगर इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर द डाउन साइड, विच मीन्स इट अलाउस यू टू सेल एट द पीक्स ऑफ द मार्केट, राइट? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, in the market, sell the tops, buy the bottoms. The only problem is not many traders are aware of that where is the top and where is the bottom, right? So if my analysis is point to point, but I lack the good strategy in the market, I will suffer the losses in my long run as a trading career. You know what else the good strategy does? It complements your analysis in a such way. Even if your analysis is wrong sometime, it will not give you a trigger entry. Which means, for an example, let's say I'm looking for the upside in this market. And let's say market doesn't want to go in that direction. But still, my analysis says I'm looking for the upside. So उस केस में क्या होता है? My strategy says, as long as you don't break these trends for the right side or you don't break this down structure, how can you bite? You see what am I doing there? My strategy is saving me from this bad move if that's not coming in the market. So if it keeps going further down, I'm not buying there blindly, randomly, and hoping that the market will go in my direction. Remember, guys, this is a business and there should be no hope once the trade is executed. It's all the fact in the market, what facts the market is providing you right now in front of you. If your analysis says buy the structure, then your strategy should follow the same. So I hope that makes sense on that. So the trader who has point-to-point analysis in their favor should also have a good strategy so that they have edge in the market. If you don't have edge in the market, then you're same as a 90% other traders. You know who loses money in the market? The traders who don't have edge in the market. And these are the 90% of the traders. So that's the second element of a successful trading. We'll be discussing the third one in a moment. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so time to discuss the third element of becoming a profitable trader or successful trader is a mindset or psychology section of the trader. क्योंकि एक बार एनालिसिस रन कर लिया और एंट्री ले ली, बट उसके बाद जो मार्केट आपके साथ साइकोलॉजिकल गेम प्ले आउट करता है, आई एम टेलिंग यू द वर्स्ट डिसीजंस आर मेड against the trader in that phase. For an example, let's say someone is looking for selling this market and for any reason he sold the market somewhere here. Let's say after taking the trade here, he is looking for this target and he's looking to get out of the market from somewhere here. So what do we have here? Let me clear everything. And this is where you're looking around. Somewhere here is the entry phase. This is where he's looking as a target phase, and this is where he's looking to get out from the market. So that looks like a good trade to him, and that's how he executed this trade for any reason based on his analysis. But once he's in the trade, I'm telling you guys, so you see this consolidation phase, for any reason, if the trader doesn't has a clue of what the market is doing over there or what market is actually planning to do next, then his mindset is actually started questioning his analysis. He started questioning his target. He started questioning कि ये यहाँ तक आ गया, हो सकता है stop भी चला जाए. So what he is doing, he is actually having a wrong mindset or something I call as a bad trade management. So he'll make the worst decision here. Either he is going to cut the trade for any reason somewhere here because market is not going in his favor in a straight line. So what he'll do, he'll cut the trade somewhere here, or once the trade comes here, you see, so somewhere here he tried to exit this as a break even. And what happens after that? Boom, the market goes in the direction in single straight line. So what he had there, he had the impulse, the correction, and the impulse. I mean, that's what we do. But what I'm trying to say, if trader doesn't has any clue, or he has a weak mentality, or उसे अपने analysis और strategy पे शक हो रहा है during the trade, then what he's going to do, he's going to hurt his account in a long run. So in order to accomplish market, a trader must have the analysis and the strategy, but I would say above all, he should have the mindset of a profitable trader. A good trader will not execute a trade first of all, but once he is executing a trade, he knows why he is executing it, where he is going to exit the trade if he is wrong, and where he will take the target if he is right. And he also knows the bad game played by the market against him, which is a name as a consolidation or pullback in the market. So these are the all three characteristic or element ingredients if someone is looking to become a profitable trader. But these are not it. Apart from this, obviously you need a good money management, risk management, and trade management, and all that kind of thing. But these are the must-have elements a trader should have if he wants to make living out of the market or make some source of income from the market. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you with another update, guys. This is Dave this side signing off. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.